and welcome to Miss Crafty. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make the chain belt. Chain belts are used by everybody, especially they're used by women in particular. That's what I mean by the everybody. So a chain belt is unique. When you come out among your friends and you are using a chain belt, you will stand out. Now, how do we make this chain belt? I'm going to teach you, because in our economic situation here in Nigeria right now, you don't want to be spending too much money on so many things. So if you know how to make this one by yourself, which is actually a unique piece, then you will be saving some cash. So I'm going to teach you how to make a chain belt today. Please stay tuned. I have great content that will be rolling out every week. Actually, I'm not going to make any promise this time around about consistency, because being consistent has been one thing that has really shot me in the head. Alright, please stay tuned and bye for now.
So the materials that will be needed for today's video include the scissors, the tape, measuring tape, a piercer, and this is a plier, hammer, a ruler, carb chain, fanciful finishing, your hook or swivel, and rivets. So you can see the materials are not many. So this is how to insert a rivet, and that's how to uninsert it. So we'll be starting with measuring the waist of whoever we're making the belt for. And stay tuned.
okay, I've not been able to stay consistent. So I'm not making any promise that I'm going to be making or uploading videos every single Saturday, but I am definitely going to be making videos quite regularly. So as they roll out, you're going to be learning different ways to do different things, different kinds of DIYs that you can do in your house, and not just in your house, you can do them with even stuff that you should be throwing away, like recycling. So if you click on the notification bell, that means any new video that I'll be having, you will be among the first to get notified about it. Then another one is that if you subscribe to my channel, you're going to be seeing every video that I upload, and you're going to stay in my community, and thereby you're going to be learning a lot from me. So if you want to learn like I've learned and be like me, then please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up. I'd also like to hear what you think about my videos. Don't also forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever I have a new video, once it's uploaded, you'll be among the first to get notified and to learn how to do such DIYs, which I'll be uploading soon.